What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Andrew. Nice to meet you. So in today's video, I am back at the same location on where I've been just constantly hooking onto bluegill, striper, and catfish. If you guys haven't watched that part of the video on my YouTube channel, make sure you guys check it out so that you guys can get a better understanding on today's video. Oh man, we just made it to the spot, and let me tell you, today is a beautiful day, guys. We got the shade, we got the wind. It's not that hot, it's not that cold, it's perfect. I have a really good feeling about today. Anyways, in today's video, I'm about to show you guys a step-to-step video on how to target bluegill, catfish, and striper. And to do that, you need to have 3 rods ready to go, okay? 1 rod for bluegill, 2nd rod for catfish, 3rd rod for striper. You want everything accounted for, okay? You want all of your rigs accounted for. So first things first, go ahead and grab your bluegill rod. This is the main thing that you want to use first. And that reason is because you need the bluegill to catch the striper, also the catfish. So right here, I have some wax worm working with a high and low rig. If you guys want further information on my rig setup and my rod setup, I do have a recent video content that I just posted like 2 days ago on how to tie this high and low. If you guys are interested in watching that video, I'll go ahead and pop up that thumbnail right now and put that description down below. Man, I just hope that we have some bluegills at this location, because for those that don't know, recently in California, we had a major flood. The ecosystem got destroyed due to the high flows of the current at this location. It just pushed everything out. So I'm just hoping and praying that we can catch some bluegills, because if we can't catch any bluegills, we can't catch any catfish or striper. So fingers crossed. Okay, the water went down. That's a good sign. Hopefully we can catch some bluegills, guys. First cast. Oh, I got a hit from bluegill. There it is. Yes, sir. Ah, fish on, baby, yeah! Yeah! Yeah, boy! Let's go! Oh, 2! Hell yeah! Oh, I got a bite. Bluegill, baby. Got him. Got him. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's a fatty. That one is for eating. Oh. Oh. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, there we go. Oh, these are all pumpkin seeds, baby. Look, they're fat. Damn. That's bluegill number 5. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Damn, it's active out here. Perfect for bait. All right, y'all. So for my 2nd rod, I'm working with the striper stealth rod with a conventional reel. For my main line, I'm working with 20-pound mono. Right here, I got my rig set up. This is the Carolina rig with a slider, 2-ounce weight, swivel clip. For my leader line, I'm working with 25 P-line mono. This is called the adjustable hook rig, working with a size 3/0 hook. Today's bait, working with bluegill. All right, got the bluegill. So first hook goes at the end of the tail. Just like that. 2nd hook goes in front of the dorsal fin. What I like to do is skin hook these bluegills. Try not to, you know, puncture their spine, because once you do that, these fishes won't be able to swim anymore. So check that out. Give it like a little test swim. Perfect. Time to cast in. Check this out, guys. Pretty decent sized bluegill. Good eating size. Perfect for a catch and cook. Just like I promised on my recent video. of me, targeting bluegills. If you guys haven't checked out that video content, I'll go ahead and pop up that thumbnail right now and put that description down below. So yeah, I promise you guys that if you guys give me 20 subscribers, I'll do a catch and cook. Today is that day. Let's get to it. For today's seasoning, using some Old Bay, some table salt, black pepper, got some fine avocado oil, and there we go. We got our bluegill rice. I'm just waiting for a big bite. Fishing for bluegill, fishing for striped bass. Nothing doesn't get any better than this, guys. Fresh catch and cook, relaxing, chilling, enjoying the weather, enjoying the view. This is fresh air right here, man. Living my best life at its finest. Life is too short. Go out there and enjoy. Oh man, I'm hungry. Starving. Alright y'all, so I've waited at least 2 to 3 hours to see if anything, you know, would hit my live bluegill. I was hoping for at least one keeper striper. Unfortunately, I only had one hit and that was it. So it's time to switch it up. So I'm about to go ahead and use the 6-foot medium light Saltiga rod with the 4,500 size at BG reel and cut up some bluegill, cast it in, hoping to get some catfish. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, so striper fishing isn't working out. Now it's time to target some catfish. Working with some chunked up bluegill. All you need to do is just hook it one time and just keep adding on. That's how I fish for catfish, guys. They love messy bait. Just keep adding on. The more the better. Just like that. Time to cast in. Casting in. Catfish time. Alright y'all, so as you guys can see, I'm heading back home. So yeah, this is going to be a 2-day trip, guys. I'm going to come back out here tomorrow. Catfish didn't eat, striper didn't eat, only bluegill. I mean, pretty good size too. I mean, honestly, today was a success. No skunk. So I'm about to go ahead and cut this video off. This is day 2, guys. Top of the morning, guys. This is day 2. So yeah, I'm just trying to get everything ready for today's trip. So my main goal for day 2, which is today, is to get my limit for bluegill so that I can use it as bait for striped bass and catfish. If we can't catch any bluegills, man, then we can't catch any striped bass or even catfish. I don't know what to expect out there. I might, you know, have a plan B by bringing, you know, some extra bait out there, such as shrimp or anchovies. So yeah, for those that don't know, when it comes to working with bluegill, live or dead, you're not allowed to transport these species of fish into different waters and different locations. If you're fishing in the same body of water and you're catching bluegill, you're just collecting bluegill for bait and you're transporting it at a different location but the same body of water, you're still not allowed to do that. So keep that in mind. If you guys made that mistake, then you're all good, because you know, people make mistakes, you know, we learn from it and we move forward, right? So yeah, if you guys did not know about this regulation, now you know, all right? So just don't do it again. If you guys made that mistake, just don't do it again. You know, teach other anglers out there, progress from each other, educate that person, don't bash on that person, because we are all human beings. Life is too short. We live, we learn, and we move forward. That's about it, man. Okay? So, moving forward, as you guys can see, I still have my Hobie PA-14. So somebody offered me $7,000 for this kayak. The kayak and a trailer, everything you see here. Unfortunately, I've decided to change my mind by keeping my kayak. And that reason is because I finally bought another car to transport this kayak into every fishing spots I go to. Anyways, I'm running out of ideas, guys. So what I want all of you guys to do is to come up with the best fishing idea and leave it on the comment down below. Whoever comes up with the best fishing idea, I'll be doing a shout out to that person. Also, I'll be using that idea on my next upcoming video. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so that you guys can stay updated on the best fishing idea ever. Alright y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and pack things up and head to the spot. Hopefully, you know, I can get some action for you guys. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the content of this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.